Hello, this is Joan of Art and we're doing a patik-batik session here with the Association of Negros Artists. I actually don't know what we're playing, but we're just playing something. And we claim that it is sound art just for the purpose of this blog. And so the Ilonggo word is palagpat. Palagpat. Meaning, what's palagpat in English? Olive, what's palagpat? It's like, I don't know.
Just kidding.
It's just guesswork, just kidding. So that's palagpat. Or another word for palagpat is pataka. Yung pataka na lang. So, just anything goes.
Unintentional.
Palagpat and
Freestyle.
pataka. Freestyle would be the word. And just anything goes. So, I really don't know. So I have this gong. This is my part. And guys, what are your instruments? And in Ilonggo, please. English to Ilonggo. Debbie, this is violin. In Ilonggo, violin. Correct.
Violin.
Next. Ano ni siya yan?
Tiffany!
In Ilonggo?
This is a ukulele. In Ilonggo, ukulele.
No, in Ilonggo, it's called gamay na gitara.
Gamay ng gitara. This is a gong. In Ilonggo, ganggong.
Palagpat! Palagpat!
O sino pa mga mo? Ano yung mga ron?
This is Bagel.
Pagod!
In Ilonggo, laghong.
Palagpat! Kasi, Tibor! Tibor!
Tibor!
Come!
Basta ano na siya.
Ano na yung Tibor? What's that?
What's that? What's this?
Guitar! In Ilonggo,
Girata!
gitara!
Girata!
Sino ba? Wala. Ay, mo, Julio.
Where's
Mapatik
my
natin.
patsik?
Where's your patik? So, Julio, what's that?
This is in Ilonggo, we call this patik. In Italy, we call this tikpa. In Japanese, we call this tikpatike. Tikpatiki.
Oh, they're all together now, guys. Oops. Sorry. Sige na, patik-patik na ta. Palagpat lang. Yay! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. So, there you go, guys. The
Ano na
word
kami?
for today, palagpat kang pataka. Freestyle, palagpat, just anything goes. Guesswork. We don't know what we're doing, so we're just doing palagpat. Bye!
Okay pa sila.